goes, like runs along that green box, like that gravel road. That gravel road looks like it has about 20 feet. It goes gravel road 20 feet in our property line. So we can leave, you know, like that really big set of trees right there. You can leave that whole strip and then clear this, so we can get the sun to come in. Because right now it's definitely filtered. And I guess if you wanted to, I don't know about a basement, but you could definitely have the front of the house kind of level with the ground, and the back it'll drop off for a crawl space. And let's move the house all the way up here. If you brought it up here and raised the grate, you might be able to get to a basement by the time you get all the way to the back.